Here we will create first JavaScript with welcome message in Visual Studio Code. So first open Visual Studio Code. For this, first open Explorer and click on open folder. Select the folder where you want to save your JavaScript files or create a new folder and select folder. Here new folder is created. Now click on this new file, name the file as welcome.js. New JavaScript file is opened. Here I will type console.log welcome. To execute this, open the terminal. It will directly open our folder and here type node welcome.js and press enter. It will print the message welcome. I will change here E and again I will execute. It will print welcome.